Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm here at the Deuk Spine Institute with one of my patients who underwent the cervical Deuk laser disc repair on her neck. That's right, thank you. And she had it done 6 weeks ago. I get a lot of requests from people, hey, can we see a patient who had it done a while ago, see how they're doing, weeks after the surgery. So a month and a half, and how do you feel today?
Awesome, totally awesome. I was completely pain-free immediately upon waking up. And I got the feeling back in my fingers immediately. And I was at home beading that very night.
That's beading, not beating.
No, making necklaces.
Yes, you have a lot of creative stuff. I would love to show them the beads on your cervical collar over there that she created.
You ain't got a thing if you ain't got that bling.
That's right, there you go. She personalized it,
Yep.
blinged it out.
You gotta take the depressing and make it happy.
That's right, that's right. Well, of course it fits with what you do, right?
Yeah, and it also matched the dress I wore to my nephew's wedding.
All right, very good. Now, how long did you suffer from those herniated discs with problems in your arms and neck?
Initially, about 19 years ago, I hurt my neck. And ever since then, I've been having a lot of falls, which you said was due to spinal cord compression that I already had.
Mm-hmm.
And then my dog knocked me flat on my face, and the pain and the disability was immediate. I'm talking like 10 out of 10 pain.
And do you still have that 10 out of 10 pain now?
I got 0.
0. Excellent. So you can see maybe in your surgery here where we use the laser to clean out the disc that was herniated, and tiny little 4mm incision. Did you have any trouble swallowing after the surgery?
No, I didn't. The only time I have trouble swallowing is if I try to eat with the collar on.
Right. So aside from the collar though, you
Yeah.
recovered fine from the surgery.
No problem at all.
All right, very good. Was there anything else you want to share with your fans out there?
Best guy. Best guy.
Very
Go
kind.
for it.
All right.
It's worth it.
Very good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Short but sweet. That's the way it should be.
You're
Yeah.
a cool dude.
All right. You're welcome.